In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet, right? If you want to withdraw BNB, make sure you verify the BNB chain you want to collect, right? So I think the best one that most people use is the BNB BIP20, right? That this is the second one, right? There's the BNB Beacon chain, there's the BNB Smart chain, there's the Open BNB, right? So click on this. This is the one that we all use very often here in crypto, right? So I'm going to click on it. Click on receive to copy your wallet address. Open up your Binance. If you love to withdraw BNB from your Binance, click on this send, right? Click on this. Come on here, type in BNB. Click on it. All right. So wait for it to open up. Click on select network. You see it's the first one, right? It's the first one, so click on it. So paste the wallet address you copy it from Trust Wallet. Select the amount of BNB you want to send to your Trust Wallet. Do the verification for the withdrawals, right? If you find this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.